the VIP chat said that was a blessing from God. I'll take it. I'm sick. I'll probably do a trade breakdown on this exact trade for you guys later on. Not gonna lie to y'all, I just got out the shower. Look at this. Look at the trade. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. Close. 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 I'm tripping. Then we come over here, 2,000. We're gonna withdraw. I remember I used to drive these at the warehouse. Good old times. The drop. So at this point, this is when I was able to get my TP1. This is when I was able to break even my trade, but it was a lot of consolidation. Yesterday's trade paid for my whole month of rent. Ain't that cool? That previous day's low is where I wanted to take it out. I don't know what happened. My alert never went off. I have our new accounts with $10,000. Nope. Like, I like the longs, but I needed to at least retrace back to this 1 hour gap. If it could retrace back into it, I could take it, man. Cause I want to see it reach for that previous high, but if it reached for that high first, then I'll probably just call it a day for now. Not much. I ain't really trade that much this month. Let's see. All right, we about to retrace. I'm about to get my entry. Did it? Oh, how many contracts am I allowed max on this? 1? Nah, I already, my entry, main entry, I could have got my bare minimum already. I'm really just watching now. But this whole area I'm watching. All right, we just filled this gap. This is my entry right here. I got in at the fill. Yeah, I just got in just now. This is my first trade. I'm only risking 250, 1 contract, not 3. So this is the funded, I think it's there's a max contract. So I think 1 for now. Looks good, looks good. I didn't even get in to get in on my broker. I'm not even at TP1. And I'm in longs. Yeah, I want to see ideally it could reach for that previous high, but 1 to 2 is all I'm really. If I could just get it to hit this wick, that's a 1 to 3 and 1 to 4 almost, so it's more than enough. But we'll see. Only time will tell. Or about break even. Worst case, I said worst case, that shit dropped in seconds. Hey, yo, minus 250 on that. Didn't get in over here. Jeez. It's just a big ass drop, and I'm not trying to get caught, so bullshit. But it's holding the 4 hour gap, not the 1 hour. Yeah, let's see it run this London low. Run this London low for us. Keno about to take it. It's right, this is where I took the trade the first time. Let's see. Keno took it. No. Indeed, no sells. I like the longs. Real shit. Keno said, I'm in. He was like, I'm not in yet, though. I'm like, nigga. Nigga. Yeah, mine's probably a little bit lower, too. I'm gonna get a nice little 1 to 2. Because I think this range is still nice and wide for me. I know I'm reaching like 100 points. Let's see. See what we can do. Man, let's see what we can do. Come on. Give me up like, let me see. Did I even hit TP1 yet? Fuck no. Hey, yo. My entry is not like yours, but market's moving slow. You gotta hurry up. Oh my God. Yeah, that's beautiful trade right there. Patience right there. Oh yeah. I ain't gonna lie. This is, yeah, I probably won't trade tomorrow after this one, because this is the only trade on my, look. Let's get TP2 though. 2 here, come on. I hope it's bullish. This shit not trying to move. Go up. Yeah. Might just be a break even on this trade. God damn. What happened, bro? Went from push-ups to squats. Demons. Have a decision at least, because last time you came this low, you almost went back up. So at least hit my break even. At least. Because right now you're just having me wait. Nah, it didn't go. It probably was like another 40, 30 points. Break even. This is still 10 o'clock. I think this is what's gonna likely happen. Something like this. It's gonna have this retracement, and then going into, I say, 11, we might get a good drop off. If anybody wants to watch this, I say use 100, something like this. Because we came up to here a whole bunch of times. The way I'm looking at it, for price to have a whole reversal, it'll need some volume. Because we're about to close for the hour. US30 trade idea is going crazy though. For the people that watch the trade idea, yeah, like this, I had this shit marked up for a minute, but the same trade idea I told y'all, if it just closes and it'll drop. I forget where I sent it in here. Yeah, look, sent it over here. If you go to 1043, I had it over here, the idea. So for whoever was watching it, there you go. Because I have this on my live account. I didn't take it on anything besides the live. Nah, yeah, I was risking 1,000, so I'm only aiming for 2. But I risked 100 points though, so 100 points is a little bit wider. It just makes no sense. The more money you make, the more money you could put into this. It's not like it's gonna go anywhere. Yeah, I got in when it closed. Not even when it closed. When it retested during 10 o'clock. I got in at 10, not even 11. But I got in at 10 when it retraced to the London low, which was also the 1 hour imbalance from, if you look at from here, from the 9 o'clock wick, right in there. But I got in at 10, and then 11, it's just kind of been falling. But it was just like if you look at the ID I sent in the chat, look at it in there. That's how it looked before I got in. Like I got in after the screenshot when it retraced back up, and then from there, now we're here. Yeah, I ain't at TP yet. I'm break even, but that's about it. All right, right now, just got off the call. I'm still in this Yo, I'm trying to like grab this charger. Like Spider-Man. It's 11:22. I'm still in this trade. I'm up 1,400. Well, 1,380 now. I was risking about 1,000. I should have had TP earlier on that first trade, but that shit never hit TP2. We had the first L on the funded account. That was the only trade I took on that account besides the other break even. So on the funded account, I'm down 250 for the day. As you can see over here, so I only really took a small loss. I didn't risk a lot, and that's after 1 L, and that's after 1 break even. So I'm not really pressed about it. And then on this last trade I took on my Henko trade, so I'm just simply waiting for it to hit. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to go take a shower, and yeah. Ideally, I want to see it hit TP so I can update the chat, but only time will tell. We just got to be patient and see what price do. Just another day, though. Not going to lie to y'all. I just got out the shower. Look at this. Look at the trade. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Look at this. Look at this. Right now, I came back from getting out the shower. Like, no cap. No cap. Look at this. Look at the time. Bruv. Screenshot that. Close. I'm tripping. Close. That's crazy. Sending this in VIP. Right now, I'm tripping. The microphone's probably not even really recording. That's crazy. I didn't expect it to go crazy like that. Not gonna lie to y'all. That was crazy. I did not expect that to happen. I honestly didn't. Like, it was nowhere near where that was when I got in the shower. $1,030. Withdrawal commission. Alright, so you guys know what time it is. After that trade, I'm not trading tomorrow. I was only looking for a 1 to 2, and I got a 1 to 4. So it went from being almost a $2,000 trade to a $4,000 trade in probably 10, 15 minutes. When I went into the shower, I don't even think I was up $1,000. I was in like small profit, but I wasn't even up $1,000. So to come back to a 1 to 4 is crazy work. But you know what they say. Fear being average. But right now I'm about to head over to the withdrawal because I'm getting this money, no cap. I do it through Bitcoin. If you want to send me money for donations, here you go. Support the cause. I'm going to just do 2,000. Then we come over here, 2,000. We're going to withdraw. My nose is still cooked. I am sorry. But then we got this. I'll just come over here. Probably just got to verify it. Come over here, verify the request. Yeah. I gotta log in. God damn it. Face ID, remember me. I'm not a robot. Yo, I did not try to go into there. Come on. Log me in, brother. Oh my God, so much authentication. You know what? Better safe than sorry, I guess, right? Better safe than sorry. Okay, I come over here. I just logged in. Did I just verify? Let's go back over here now. I just want my monies. There we go. Okay, should have got another email done. Let's see. There we go. Withdrawal request. Got a nice little $2,000. Not bad. I could have taken the full 4, but like I said, I'm gonna just leave that. Someone in the VIP chat said that was a blessing from God. I'll take it. I'm sick. I'll probably do a trade breakdown on this exact trade for you guys later on because I'm probably gonna be doing stuff right now. But that's a blessing right there. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna be trading tomorrow. I don't care. I'm leaving it as is. So I did take a small L on the funded account, but after that, after the break-even trade, I didn't trade it. So I didn't win the trade on there. But it is what it is. I'm down 260. That's nothing. $4,000 on a live account. It's just all about leverage. So with that being said, I'm about to just go get clothes on. So yeah. All right, we about to go get some food. She wants some tacos, so we about to go over there. My nose is still cooked, but you know what? It's better outside. Somebody wrote on the back of the car. Yeah, this car has been here, like, since we moved here, this car has been here. And it's like dirty as shit, but look, somebody wrote hello. Like, look at this. Somebody even looked inside of it. Look at this. This is crazy. It's a RSQ8 too. It's a good body. Hey, rich people. And then we come over here and we got the big body. I remember I used to drive these at the warehouse. Good old times, good old times. The chair look just like that too. They always like us get fucked up. And yeah, we got the little body. All right, right now I'm outside of Tacos Las Californias right now. I'm just on Instagram and everything, getting some content posted. The reel I post is already at 2,200 views. Not bad. About to reply to some of the comments, but as you guys know, I was talking about switching brokers in 2025, and after a lot of careful thought consideration, I said never mind. I'm gonna just stick to Hanko Trade. I'm gonna stick to what I know. And honestly, I'm glad I did, because having the money in that account today allowed me to fucking win the trade. So yeah, I'm not even mad at it. But yeah, 2025, we gonna stick with Hanko Trade until further notice. I'm locked in with Hanko Trade. I just haven't really traded them last month because I wasn't really trading my live account to begin with. I was heavy on the funded challenges, but we're gonna go crazy 2025. For all the people that haven't traded a live account, Hanko Trade is who I use. So for all the people that always ask, now you know. But like I said, I'm waiting for her to get this food from inside. I'm gonna continue trying to get this content all edited and posted and everything. And yeah, I'm just gonna go on with my day. One thing I noticed when I'm driving with the window down, I can fucking breathe. I feel like a dog. Good morning, everybody. I like the cherry. They look cool. They're different. Gives Valentine's vibes because they're red. Good morning, everybody. This is the next morning. I'm not gonna lie. I did tell you guys you were gonna have a chart breakdown. You still will. It's just not gonna be at this moment. Maybe later on in this video. But yesterday I was cooked. My head was busting. I'm still a little sick, but I think today I feel the best out of all the days. So that's fortunate. But my nose cooked. I got a little bit of a cough. Got a little bit of a scratchy throat. But you know what? We're still alive. We can make it happen. So we're going to hop on VIP. We're going to see what we can do. I'm not going to be trading on the live account today. I did hit the $2,000 withdrawal, as you guys seen earlier in the video. I still didn't have that money hit my crypto.com app. So I did the withdrawal and everything, but the money hasn't got sent to my crypto wallet yet. So I can't bring it straight to my bank account just yet. But we just got to wait. So while we wait, let's go hop on the charts, give some value to the team. Let's see what we can do on the last trading day of the week. So yeah, let's see what we can do on Friday. Where I think 9:30 might have something like this. We might get a little push, retracement a little bit before like this. I feel like for the first couple, maybe 5 minutes, it might kind of zigzag, fill that gap before pushing. But if it fully drops, I think London low could be a good area. But if it drops that fast, I'm gonna be a little cautious for the day. Logs went crazy. Don't retrace it, but I mean, we about to hit 100 people though on a Friday. Fuck it. Nah, yeah, that shit falling down. That shit drop. She's dropping. RIP. All right, I'm about to get the withdrawal. So 1979. Sell. Confirm. Yeah, just got the email that this is all here after being on VIP. So now do that. Then once I have this here, I'm gonna go to the fiat wallet and I'm gonna transfer this to the dollar. And my dog's in the background going crazy. Send this to my bank, 1779. Confirm, Face ID. Gotta go over here. Whole lot of different factors go into this, but that's what happens when you do it. Anything Bitcoin, they want to make sure everything's secure. Boom. Everything is now completed. Refresh and it should disappear. Yeah. Well, now it's on its way to my actual bank account right here. You can check the status, the time. Dessert. Well, back to the team, and then I gotta go to the store. All right. Well, I'm done off there. Didn't take no trades with the team, no trades today, but we did have the withdrawal and everything, as you guys seen. But yeah, now time to clean up the crib and get the rest of the day started. She's getting her nails done. Somebody's gonna come over and do that. But yeah, probably some point in the next 10, 15 minutes, you're probably gonna be seeing the trade breakdown that I promised you guys. But yeah, still can't breathe, but we making it happen. All right, about maybe hour some change later, cleaned up the rooms. This room, you probably won't be able to really tell the difference in this room, but the carpet's all clean, cleaned up my desk and everything. My computer's still on, but not to worry about that. Cleaned the bathroom, cleaned over here, cleaned over here. Come out here, we took the Christmas tree down, moved the chair from here, back over here, purifier, got the chair just chilling with the light, you know, if I want to read or some shit. Then you come over here, cleaned up kitchen, dogs. I got a trash bag I got to take out to the trash. I got to order that my girlfriend had ordered something. Clean, dog area clean. This is more dog stuff, but that's just a lot of stuff. And then yeah, the living room's all clean, the dog's clean. And then the bedroom is almost clean, but not yet. We still got to change the sheets and everything. Those are being washed. Got to throw that trash out. I think it's already vacuumed in here, but we still got to clean these rugs. And yeah, now I am here. I think my girlfriend just got back down. All right, so I ain't gonna lie. Right now, my girlfriend's getting her nails done. I'm trying to go as far as possible so you guys can't hear the music so I don't get copyrighted. Yeah, so I'm gonna come into my bathroom inside of the office. All right, we're gonna turn the office into an office, if you feel me. We're gonna sit down right here. But right now, what I'm about to do, why am I in the bathroom talking to you? Dr. Seuss type bars. But right now, I'm about to take out the rest of the money from yesterday's trade. So the $2,000 that I didn't take, I'm going to take a withdrawal of that. But I'm also going to take the rest of the money and I'm going to be transferring $10,000 from that account to a different account so that I can erase all of the history. Why am I doing that? Because I'm going to start a new account for 2025. So I already took a trade on it yesterday and everything, but I'm just going to count that as 2024 because that's on account I've been using all 2024, and I'm going to create a new account so I can have all new account history. So when I go to the year of, when I go to 3 months and everything, 4 months, today, this week, it's all only calculating from the start of January, which will really be next month. Yes, today is January 3rd. Yes, this has been the last 2-3 days we've been trading. It's still been 2025, but I'll count this into 2024 because literally Monday and Tuesday was 2024. So this is like a half and half week, but next week is going to be 100% 2025. So that's what I'm about to do. So I'm about to log into HankoTrade. Log in over here while my can't breathe here. Let me just put all this. Don't hack me, please. More authentication. You know, I'm gonna just put my camera down. Let me get to all of this real quick and then I'll come back in like 2. So I already created the account that I'm going to withdraw. Well, not even withdraw, it's just gonna be an internal transfer. It's not gonna be nothing crazy. It's just literally gonna be putting it from one account to the other. Nothing's really gonna take place compared to the actual withdrawal. As always, 1,000, why am I doing that? Because my account was already in a little bit of profit going into this trading week, so it wasn't flat at 10,000 this trading week. I think I was up a couple $100, even maybe $1,000. I don't know exactly what it started at. All I know it is I just wanted at 10,000. So whatever the difference is, I'll probably just fix it later on. But as of right now, I'm just gonna do the withdrawal of 25. Boom, let it load. Got to do the email shit as always. You can come over here, verify it and everything, and then from here it should be straight and everything. Then I'm gonna have to wait for it. The only concern is that it's Friday, so I may be able to get it tomorrow. I may not, but regardless, I should have it by Monday, which is cool. And another reason why I'm taking that withdrawal, I'm gonna be paying my rent. So yeah, why not? Just yesterday's trade paid for my whole month of rent. Ain't that cool? I'll set y'all up over there right now. But now I come over here. I'm going to internal transfer to the other live account. The live account that I made has nothing in it. It's just an ECN plus account, 500 leverage. Nothing crazy about it. It's just another account. There's no reason for me changing accounts besides the fact that I just want to have a clear account history. You know what I mean? Because that account, it's not like I started that HankoTrade account at the beginning of 2024. I started it a little bit into 2024. So it's not like it started in the beginning of the year. So this account's gonna be freshly 2025 and everything. So it'll be good for a lot of different purposes. But now I'll do it to deposits, internal. Let's do this. And then once I have the account
and everything. I just gotta put the account ID to log in. So I'm gonna type this in without telling you guys. And yeah, so if you want to know what your password to your Hanko Trade account is, just go to the email that you get sent when you get the credentials. Mine is a lot of different numbers right now. Like this is probably the equivalent to a phone number. And there we go. I think we got it. And then we log in, and there we go. We have our new accounts with $10,000. Bada bing, bada boom. And now that's just going to be the account that we're trading. And like I said, the main reason is just now when I go to portfolio, when I go to history, it's just a clear history now. Like there's nothing. I can go to a month, nothing. It's just all freshly account, which is what I'm gonna do because 2025 we're gonna go crazy. 2025, I'm gonna show you guys what's up. For all the people that don't believe I trade, that's cool. That's cool. I'm gonna just kill you with the results. I'm gonna show up every day and do what I do. I didn't have to trade today because I made $4,000 in one trade, and then I withdrew it all, plus more. So listen, my bills are paid from trading. I hope yours are if you're gonna complain. But for the people that don't complain, just know, showing up every day, I'm gonna continue showing you guys exactly how to do this. So now let's hop into the chart breakdown on exactly how I caught it. All right, team, right now I'm inside of my living room. We're about to get straight into this trade breakdown. So I'm gonna break it down from the screenshots that I sent to VIP while I was in the call with them. So first things first, as you can see from the screenshot, on the right, US 30 short idea after bearish close, and this was sent at 10:43. Why is that important? Because I'm only looking to actively place my trades from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. Anything after 11 a.m., I'm not looking to actively place the trade. I am just simply watching if I'm in the trade, but if I have the chance to take the trade, it's only going to be from 9 to 11 a.m. So this fell into that time frame. So we're just going to zoom in on this. As you can see, I have the previous day's high marked up over there. This was the high that I wanted to see price reach for. Why? Because you can see that the previous high from the day before got ran already, and it was kind of just choppy within that area. But overall, by the time price broke down, I already knew that price based off the higher time frame was overall bearish, even though we were short-term bullish after we had this drop. And then if you pay attention to when we were going to close, we were about to close on the hour in 16 minutes. So I was anticipating that price was going to close bearish, and we were going to try to make a run for this previous day's low and possibly this low over here. I wanted to see price reach for this high, but like I said, after price got so close and had a full reversal at 10 o'clock in the morning, I was about to say at night, at 10 o'clock in the morning, and is about to close bearish on a Friday, no, it was a Thursday. On a Thursday, I was anticipating price was likely just going to continue dropping. So what was my idea behind it? If we pay attention right here, this black dotted line is a 4-hour fair value gap. This is a 4-hour gap. And if you see it right here, this is a 1-hour imbalance. So both of these areas are aligned with the 50% of the range, meaning this is the middle of the range from the previous day's high to the previous day's low. Just overall, that's the 50% range. Not even previous day's high. This is the range from this previous day's low to this high that was created during New York session. So this is the 50% range. And that's where I wanted to see price potentially have a reaction for longs. But once that got invalidated, once it broke through, and like I said, it's about to close in 15 minutes on the hour time frame, I'm anticipating price was going to drop. So this is why I wanted to see this area be a potential area where price can have a retracement and I can get the entry to possibly take price lower to this low. So I was simply waiting for price to get this short, and then I told the team that this is the short idea I wanted. And then from there, I was on the live. I took the trade with them and everything, and we're going to move on to here. This is when I sent the trade again. So then after all this is when you can see price started to drop. So at this point, this is when I was able to get my TP1. This is when I was able to break even my trade, but it was a lot of consolidation. Everything after 11 a.m. going into 12 p.m. was very, very slow. We didn't get a straight drop into the previous day's low. We had a drop. I was able to break even, but we started to consolidate, and I was going from TP1 to almost break even to TP1 almost to break even, just back and forth. And then, like I said, I was getting out the shower when I realized that price dropped off fully, because when I got in the shower, we were somewhere like up here during the retracement. But a lot of time, you just got to be patient. I had a 100-point stop loss. Why did I have 100 instead of 50? Because this range was pretty wide. And if you just simply would have looked at the fact that a 50-point stop loss looks like it's about 5 points, you would have came to the realization, okay, maybe I should just make a little bit of a bigger stop loss. Because even me looking for a 100-point stop loss move, I still caught a 1 to 4. If I would have used a 50-point stop loss, I more than likely would have got stopped out for 1. But let's just say I didn't get stopped out. That trade could have been like a 1 to 8. But because of how much we're moving. So it's better safe than sorry. I'm cool with a 1 to 4 risking 100 points. I'll take it. I'll take it. But right here, this is when price was almost giving me TP. This is when I sent it to the team, still holding US30 shorts. I'm at break even. And then boom, this is when price started to come up and down. Like I said, price was just simply consolidating, but I held my stop loss and I just kept waiting. You can see I sent a screenshot of me being in the trade and everything, where my stop loss was at 709. I think the highest it went was probably back up to like 800. Then we scroll down. I think I sent a screenshot again of when we finally hit the TP. If I didn't, then I'll show it. Okay, over here. Now, the same trade idea I was watching, it came up a few times. Like, look how close it kept coming up to this area. It just kept consolidating, but I just kept holding the stop loss, and I waited. And it finally, after dropping, going up, it finally dropped. I think at 12:30, whatever time it was. I just know it had, let me see at the top. 12:45. So at 12:45, we had 15 minutes left on the hour closure when we finally dropped off. But it was very simple. What was my trade entry? My entry was the 4-hour and the 1-hour for value gap at the 50% of the range, anticipating price was going to drop and target that previous day's low. That previous day's low is where I wanted to take it out. I don't know what happened. My alert never went off. I don't know what happened to make price drop. But all I know is you just got to simply follow what happens when it comes to your system trading concepts, because I can't anticipate my trade is going to hit 1 to 4, 1 to 5, 1 to 20. All I can do is manage my risk and control where I'm getting in, which is what I did. I had a pretty good entry. Now, even though I didn't have much drawdown, it did fluctuate from my break even to my TPs. So it was just a good trade overall. And then you can see I sent the screenshots, like literally me recording straight out the shower. We look over here. Let me see. I showed the withdrawal that I did for $2,000 for them. And then if we scroll all the way back to today now, I can scroll up and I can show you that I also did the withdrawal for 25 that I showed you guys. Even though I showed you everything, I could show you it again. There's no harm in showing you that I showed them, right? If I can find it. This was the YouTube recap. 2 million views this year. This was the best viewed video. We're gonna try to aim for 1 million views on a video this year. We're gonna make it happen. But where is this withdrawal? Here is to go, the second withdrawal, which was 2,500 also. So yeah, we're just showing the team what we do, working with the team as always. But finally, that's the trade breakdown for you guys. I told you I was gonna get it for you. Now, even though it took a little bit longer than expected, we got it done. So I'll see you back on the, wherever I see you. Again, outside. The cold air feels good, but when I breathed it in, it just made me want to cough. So that's tough. But we're about to go to the stores. So at this point of the video, more than likely you already seen the chart breakdown and everything. So yeah, just to show you guys, it just comes down to having a system and replicating that system over time. I trade the same way that I did a week ago, the same way I did last year, the same way I did about a year and a half, 2 years ago. So it's just about following the system over time. You're not gonna win every trade, you're not gonna lose every trade. You just show up and apply the system, and over time, the money will come. You'll get withdrawals, you'll get payouts. It's just gonna be a byproduct of following the plan. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, get the free trading course, get on the free trading webinars. And when you're ready to join VIP, to get access to the daily live trading Monday through Friday, where you can get access to take my trades, take other people's trades, and learn from a community of people trading live, make sure you join VIP. So with that being said, stay safe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's daily video.